This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey subscribers, welcome back to the Haxshadow YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Claude Code because I've noticed that a lot of people still don't know how to use it properly. So in this video, I'll show you a setup method that lets you work smoothly on larger coding projects and get the most out of the tool. We'll also go step by step through the setup process, and I'll show you how you can use it directly inside almost any code editor you prefer. All right, first let's take a look at the differences between these two models. As you can see on my screen, I have already compared them side by side, and you can also check out the differences shown here. But honestly, if you ask me, there isn't a huge gap between the two. Both are really solid models that can help you generate and work with different kinds of code very effectively. All right, now let's go through how to install Claude Code and set everything up properly. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll put all the commands you need down in the video description, so if you want, you can copy them and follow the exact same setup process I'm using here. First, I created an account on OpenCode. If you already have an account, you can just use that. If not, make sure to create one first. After creating your account, you'll need to generate an API key. From there, you can follow the same setup process I'm using. All right. The reason my terminal wasn't updating properly was because of some old history and cached data. So I'm going to clear out the previous files and settings just like I'm doing here. You can do the same if you run into a similar issue, but if everything is already working fine on your end, you can skip this step. So as you can see, everything is working properly now. Let's go ahead and check which model it's actually using behind the scenes. Now let's see how you can use this inside almost any text editor you want. In my case, I'm using anti-gravity, but you can use any editor you prefer, like VS Code and others. So as you can see, I opened a code editor and installed an extension called Claude Code. You can follow the exact same process on your end, and once it's set up, you'll be able to use it just like I'm doing here. So as you can see, I've finished installing it. Now I'm going to ask which model it's actually using behind the... So as you can see, I've finished installing it. Now I'm going to ask which model it's actually using behind the scenes. So let's check that out. And one more thing, if you're enjoying the video and finding it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more content like this.